do your thing. Custom metal division.
If your eyes are bad, you use the cheaters, but you know how to weld, maybe the sub-arm is still for you.
Maybe it's for you.
Yeah, that's for me.
Yeah.
Joe set up this year. I recommend every one of y'all.
This is, we're at Lexicon in Little Rock, Arkansas. This is Custom Metals fabrication shop, but Lexicon's located all over the U.S., different projects, but we've got fabrication shops in Little Rock, Monroe, Louisiana, and Blytheville, Arkansas.
Y'all looking at it like it's dangerous down there or something. Yeah. So are all of y'all centrally located? I don't know if Joe or
This shop's Custom Metals. It's located in Little Rock, Arkansas, part of Lexicon. But we've got fabrication shops in Blytheville, Arkansas, and Monroe, Louisiana. This is just one of our fab shops here in Little Rock. We're always hiring. You can visit lexicon-inc.com/careers. View all of our open positions. We've got positions open in all kinds of different states. Yes, we do welding. All of our fabrication shops weld with flux core. We weld flux core and stick in the field for traveling.
All you change is your filler metal and your flux. You have to be very careful on stainless for cross contamination. You can't touch it with any kind of black iron, like a chip and hammer.
What you doing? What's up? You want to say hey to TikTok?
What's going on?
They said flux is for brokies. What you got to say about that?
Flux is for brokies.
I don't even know what that
Never
means.
heard that one.
Me neither. I think he might just be mad he can't be throwing down welds like you do.
That's probably what it is, huh? I know that much when I see all the anchors.
Yes, we're hiring. What, you want to see these welds again? Uh-oh, picking up the whip. Let's roll. Time to go to work.
This is the collar for a launch pad. Y'all know who Elon
Probably get that all the time. I get that all the
Y'all
time.
all heard about him getting safety.
How do I pin a comment? I don't need to pin our website up here.
It's a way you can do it though.
I don't know how.
Mess with it.
I'm afraid to.
It ain't gonna mess up nothing. It'll tell you before you get ready to something go wrong. It'll say, "Oh, you want to delete it?"
It's your welding coach in the flesh.
You see me? What's going on, our brother guy? Check him out. Carl, come check this out. That's one pass.
Down there, I told y'all everything I can use the crowbars for. I just one thing. This is my third best welder in the shop right here. Third best welder in the shop.
What you doing? What you doing? Hurry up. Yeah, that pass is clean. Look how consistent that is. Every pass. This is not a weld school. We have a welding program that's part of on-the-job training, but we are Lexicon, structural steel fabrication and construction company, headquartered out of Little Rock, Arkansas, with fabrication work in the shop. But we've got a construction division that goes out and erects structural steel. So we do a little bit of everything: travel work, shop work. Plenty of field work, JC. Y'all check out lexicon-inc.com/careers, and you'll see all of our job openings that we have currently. Say hey to TikTok. I don't know what I'm doing.
Charts in the store.
Like on Lexgear or in the office?
Lexicon store or whatever.
Bill Fitzgerald.
I love charts and stuff.
Yeah.
Looks. They help protect the metal from a lot of
No flux given.
Stay in there.
Starting pay will depend on experience, depend on what your results of your weld test look like, whether you're going in the shop or you're wanting travel work. There's a lot of different variables that go into what your starting pay is. It can range anywhere from $17 an hour to $30 an hour for welders. So it just kind of depends. There's a lot that goes into that. I am Miranda, so I'm obviously not Joe, your welding coach, but I am helping them out running this live. I am Lexicon's recruiting manager, so I'll get my contact information out there for you guys if y'all'd like to discuss opportunity here at Lexicon. But definitely go check our website. You can apply straight from our website. We're always hiring. We're desperately needing some fitters. We've got more than just welding too, guys. We've got machine operating, all kinds of CNC machines. We've got overhead crane operating, both in the shop overhead and the field overhead cranes. So we're heating up some steel right now to throw some welds down. What's up?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Preheating that and weld it.
I'm on TikTok.
Oh, okay.
Live.
Yeah, I've got to preheat everything past 1.5 inches.
Past 1.5 inches.
2 inches. I got to preheat it.
Otherwise, your welds will just fall off, won't they?
Yeah, that break.
Well, he's just over there setting stuff on fire. Plate girter. That is a crane beam. We fabricate steel for a lot of steel mills. We have helped fabricate and erect all of the steel mills in Mississippi County and Arkansas. Right now we're working in Osceola for an expansion on Big River Steel. Once that expansion is done, Arkansas will be the leading manufacturer in steel in the entire country. And Lexicon had a huge part of that. If I got any football fans on here, Lexicon fabricated some of the steel for the retractable roof on AT&T Stadium in Arlington. We them boys, you know what I'm saying? We just finished the steel mill in Brandenburg, Kentucky, which is the largest steel mill in the entire world.
That's what we do. Exactly. That's what we do.
I'm used to it. I'm talking about dirt all in your nose and
Oh yeah, we even have a paint department. Certified to paint all kinds of things, to go all kinds of places. So maybe you want to paint, come be a painter. That's really cool, Michael. It's awesome. And Kevin, you want to get into a trade, man, you got to find something you're passionate about. Maybe go somewhere that offers you a couple different options. I think any of the trades are good. Welding is, it's a trade that's kind of getting lost out. There's not a lot of people that are joining trades anymore, and so I encourage you to do something you're passionate about. JC, we do a very small amount of pipe on some projects. We don't hire for pipe welders, fitters very often, if any really at all. Here and there we might have to hire one or two depending on the job we're working on, but no, we're mainly all structural steel. Starting pay is going to depend on a lot of different variables, whether you're wanting to work in the shop and go home every night, or if you're wanting to work out in the field. It's going to depend on that. Pay in the shop versus the field is very different. Plus, you're going to get per diem in the field. So if you're wanting to start in the shop, if you've got little to no experience at all, you might start anywhere from $15 to $17 an hour. Go through Lexicon's welding program. While you're getting paid, you go through our welding program. It's an 80-hour course. By the time you get done with that 80-hour course, you're going to be able to pass a flat weld test, 2G weld test with flux core, 1/16 inch wire. You pass that, you get a pay bump. and then you go out on the floor and you start doing some Class C work, and then you do some upgrade tests. Oh, I see Jay's jumped in the chat. Let's go see what some of my welders really look like. Let's go over here. Look, he welding. Let's go see. Let's go see. What's top out pay there? We don't really have top out pay. Welding in the shop is too easy. All right, I see you. Well, we got field work too. We don't just weld in the shop. I don't know what kind of shakes this guy has. I'm not sure he's got any at all. That's right, JC. You got to start somewhere. How do I get started in the field with no experience? It's kind of a loaded question because you got to kind of get, it's probably going to be a helper position, but then you got to, it all depends on what the need for stuff is there in that certain project. Honestly, I would suggest not trying to start out in the field. I would get some experience in a shop, really work on your skill set. Once you get to a certain spot, then get out in the field and start enhancing your skills even more out in the field. But you got to start somewhere, and the shop's a good place to do it. If you're interested in field work, I would apply for the location that interests you the most. Field work is not going to be in Blytheville or Little Rock. That's going to be shop work where you go home every night. But we do have some field positions open in Osceola, Arkansas. That's the only one right now in Arkansas that we've got. But that is a field position. Yes, this shop is located in Arkansas. Lexicon is headquartered in Arkansas, Little Rock, Arkansas. But we've got new construction and maintenance sites all over the U.S. If somebody will type this in the comments, I would appreciate it so I can pin it. Our website to apply for work is Lexicon, LEXICON-INC.com/careers. Somebody could type that in for me, I'd appreciate it. Yeah, we've got a fabrication shop in Monroe, Louisiana. You've got experience but no certification. Well, to be fair, here at Lexicon, somebody from our QC department has to watch every weld test because we appreciate other certifications and experience and any classes that somebody has taken, especially at trade schools. But we have to certify our welders here. They have to get a Lexicon certification. What we do is very different than what a lot of other contractors do. So we have to make sure that our work that we put out is the type of quality that we want to be out in the field. So you have to be certified by a Lexicon QC inspector. So you can come apply with no certifications. Quality is one of our core values. The way we make sure we've got quality work is that every person that works here is certified, qualified by Lexicon.
That's like Dale over in football.
You can review our open positions on lexicon-inc.com. That's lexicon-inc.com/careers. Let somebody say these welds are shaky. Sup? Some good looking welds right there. That's gravy work. Hey, well, come join our team then. Put your money where your mouth is, my friends. I'll let him know. Put a cushion on that bucket. Maybe he has enough cushion. He don't need an extra one. He's comfortable. Put me on some work. All right, Brandon, put in your application. Let's go. Hi from San Diego. Hi from Little Rock, Arkansas. Send me the link. I pinned the website up at the top. You can see, you can click on it there. Jared, you need a job? Well, put your application in. Where you going? Oh my Lord. KJ, this ain't all we do, buddy. What kind of welding do we do here in the shop? We do flux core here at Custom Metals. They run 045. At our other fab shops, they're usually running 1/16 inch wire. But we do stick and flux in the field. He's one-handed welding. A little tight spot. I'm about to show you what the weld looks like though. Hey! Let me see that. Pretty good. For one-handed welding on 1 foot.
On the blueprints, generally everything will run off one side. Generally. But not right now. In this instance right here, I'm happy.
Jared, that's really awesome, man. Come take a weld test.
someone dropping the ball.
Okay.
Look, Jared said, I can weld as good as your best welder and I can pass the test. I said, all right, what you waiting for? It's our plant manager, Justin. He said he'll hire you if you can pass a weld test. He's brutal though.
I'm trying to reach that level.
Say hey to TikTok.
I'm trying to motivate these.
Oh, don't worry. I'm already motivated.
We need people.
You gonna be the one to teach me.
I can. It's pretty easy. I got it.
Jared, I pinned the website for our careers page up there. Go apply for whatever job you want, wherever location you want. Even if you just apply for one and we reach out, you can. That doesn't mean you'll get hired on for that exact job or that location. You don't have to apply to a lot of all the other jobs if you don't want to. When we reach out, you can discuss some opportunity that you want. We'll talk to you about it. Y'all help people with no experience? Absolutely we do. We've got a welding program that's on-the-job training with a welding instructor. It's an 80-hour course. We do it in the shop usually. And you get hired on usually as a general. It's an 80-hour course. We do it in the shop usually. And you get hired on usually as a general laborer with no experience. That general labor starts out $15 an hour for day shift, $17 an hour for night shift. And then you'll go through our welding program. After that 80-hour course, you'll be able to pass a 2G flat weld test. Our fabrication shop locations are in Blytheville, Arkansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Monroe, Louisiana, but we've got job sites all over the U.S. Yes, Jared, I am our recruiting manager. I oversee all of our divisions, but I have HR division managers that work separately over each division, and so I collaborate with them when we're needing people. So we've got a jobs open in Cofield, North Carolina, maintenance positions.
When did I get them to put those applications in? How long has that been?
A week and a half.
I knew it had been about a week and a half ago.
So I probably already kicked them out if I wasn't informed by my recruiter.
I don't think that Brian told you who they were, because remember I talked to you about scheduling and you're like, yeah, I'll schedule it. Yeah. And he said yeah.
Yeah.
So
that's what it was. We was trying to schedule your time first before we
I just need to get with
anything.
you to schedule them. If we need to do just 2 at a time or
Let's do 2 at a time.
yeah.
Of the ones that want to come.
Yeah.
I got 2 at the top.
I need to focus on night shift.
Night. Okay.
There's 2, right?
I
That
got
one
2.
night.
Hey. 2 of y'all that I know. This one and him, I know can do that uphill and overhead and horizontal. He said he needs.
Yes, we do pay per diem on the new construction side. What's the brand of trailer you guys make? We don't make trailers here. Well, I don't even know if a truck could haul a trailer with all this steel on it. We don't make no trailers. Can I get 40 to come there? KJ, what can you offer for 40 bucks an hour? That's what I want to know. Listen, we'll scratch your back, but you got to scratch ours. That's all I got to say. We take care of our people. I have a pinned comment that has our website for our careers page on it. That's good, Robbie. I'm glad you go home clean. We have a HVAC division too. Maybe that's more your style.
You'll see me.
Jared, you can guess all you want to.
See how bad all that is.
I know, I look ridiculous. I wore better shoes. Look, they're making fun of my outfit, but at least I put my boots on to come in this shop. Listen, I said I wasn't going to miss the tour. Yeah, you look good. It looks nice.
How everything runs off this machine. You got the current, which is the amperage, voltage.
That is a sub-art.
This is the only thing that keeps the car running it or not.
Can y'all not see my pinned comment?
Our first pass needs to be 350 to 400, 28 to 30 on both. Average speed on 12.
Yep, mostly flux core. We do stick in the field though. Oh, y'all can't see my pinned comment. Okay, hold on. Let me put it on there again. Lexicon. My bad. I've never done a TikTok live before, and Joe just handed me the phone. Lexicon-inc.com/careers. Let me pin that again. Uh-oh. Hold on. Shoot. Pin. Couldn't pin this comment. What the heck? It won't let me pin it. One of y'all type it in there and comment it so I can see if I can pin it.
You've been working at Walmart at night. You ready to go?
Get out there and make some money.
I'm ready to go.
They make careers out of Walmart.
They do video logic.
Yeah, I did type it in the chat. I tried to comment it. What's a chat? I don't know anything about this.
You've got a trade. You know how to do something. You're always going to have to skill.
Lexicon. Lexa Pro. That is a medication. They can Google. I know they can, but you know, I help any way I can. Lexicon. There you go, Jared. Lexicon. If one of y'all can type in lexicon-inc.com/careers. I want to try to pin it. Because it won't let me pin my own comment. I don't know why. How you doing? Lexicon-inc.com/careers. I'm gonna type it again. Maybe y'all can copy it. Lexicon-inc.com/careers. Send. It's annoying. Where's he going?
He can deliver y'all. Deliver y'all.
I'm about to have to go. Oh, it worked. I pinned it. It worked. It says under review. I don't ever do a TikTok live. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm probably messing stuff up, but whatever. Well, I tried. Sub-art. Ooh, they are pressure vessel shop.
Vessels, we hydro them, paint them, do everything in-house. We'll cut plate out on our burn table, we'll roll it. We've got 2 different forming rolls. We'll form it, we'll take a flat piece of plate, we'll roll it into a can. We'll weld the seam. Then we'll take them individual cans and we'll stack them on top of one another. Make basically a long pipe. Then we'll put heads on the end of it. Fill it off.
What happened to all those you had in here last week?
They're gone.
He said they gone.
That's what I'm talking about.
We done with
That's what I'm talking about.
We don't get paid if the product does not leave here.
That's a good point. I guess it's good that they're gone.
Yep. Y'all moving around.
This shop that we're in right now is Custom Metals. It is located in Little Rock, Arkansas. We've got 2 shops here, Custom Metals and Prospect Steel. We've got 2 shops in Blytheville, Arkansas, a shop in Monroe, Louisiana. Those are all part of our fabrication division. Lexicon's got 7 different divisions: fabrication, new construction, maintenance. We've got Lexicon Energy Services. Heritage Links does golf course construction and reconstruction, new construction, maintenance. We've got Lexicon Energy Services. Heritage Links does golf course construction and reconstruction. Check out this new table, y'all.
We have a brand new Ultra double gantry burn table. Got triple torches, got bevel heads. This thing will do work. It cuts out so much man hours as far as beveling plate, cutting it. Those gantries will have a drill put on them probably by the end of the year, where it'll cut the plate instead of burning the hose. Structurally, a lot of the clips can't have flame cut holes. It's all got to be processed. It's all the more work. This one is going to cut it and drill the hose for the structure. Base plates, you can burn the hose out. It's no big work. This one is going to cut it and drill the hose for the structure. Base plates, you can burn the hose out. It's no big deal. Watch the please. Y'all see these brands?
Oh, we got over 1,000 likes.
Everybody checking in. I told a couple people I was going to be going live.
Look
so I
at
knew
me go.
They checking us out.
I told them it's my first time. Don't judge me.
That's my sidekick Miranda right here. Y'all need to get hooked up. Make sure y'all hook.
Yeah.
I'll let her. What is the email? What's your work email? You know what the one you use
Is it
for the
Lex
crew?
HR? Do you remember?
I don't know.
I'm gonna look it up. Be
We're
back
gonna look
in
it
just
up
a
and
minute.
give us back. We'll be back at 5. So somebody just asked me for it.
Get up. Be
We're
back
gonna look
in
it up
just a
and
minute.
give us back. We'll be back at 5. So somebody just asked me for it.
LexHR at lexicon-inc.com.
What you think, Sam? So would it be able to take? Anybody be able to take this real quick?
I can get Brian to help me, yeah. Because I gotta go to meeting.
A few of them asked if they could, they would.
Yeah.
Do whatever they can today. They say, hey man, I'm gonna do whatever I can do.
Yeah.
Leaned over the,
Change. That's what we could.
which means we can take more work.
We could.
Which means we can take more work. 1,000 pounds running, 10 out, 10 running, 10 out, 10 man hours.
Y'all got it.
Other than when y'all can start.